What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime that allows JavaScript to run on the server side using a non-blocking, event-driven architecture. Unlike Apache or PHP, which typically uses a blocking, multi-threaded model. Second question, what is the callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Answer. A callback function in Node.js is a function passed as an argument to another function and it is executed after the completion of an asynchronous task, which helps prevent the program from blocking while waiting for operations like file reads or network requests. Third question, what is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? So my answer is the package.json file in Node.js project serves as a manifest that holds metadata about the project and its dependencies, including properties like name, that means the project name, version, the current version, dependencies that it means the list of required packages and scripts, commands for running tasks. Fourth question is explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? So the require statement is used for including modules in common JS module system and it works synchronously, where import is used in the ES6 module system and works asynchronously. So require is commonly used in older Node.js versions, while import is preferred in modern applications following ES6 standards. So the fifth question is what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? So my answer is middleware is in Express.js refers to a function that processes requests and responses during the application's request response cycle. So such as logging request, parsing incoming data or handling authentication. For example, you can use the middleware to log out request URLs by adding some functions like app.use. Sixth question, what is a RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. So my answer is a RESTful API is an interface that uses HTTP methods to perform CURD operations like CRUD operations on resources to create one with Node.js and Express.js. So you define routes using methods like get for retrieving data, post for creating data, put for updating data and delete for removing data. So like we can use app.get, app.post. Seventh question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? So my answer is NPM, it is a tool used to manage and install packages for Node.js projects. So it allows you to add dependencies with commands like npm install package name, which then list these dependencies in package.json file for easy management and replication of projects environment. Eighth question, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords in a web application is crucial for security because it converts the plain passwords into unreadable format, like protecting user data even if the database is compromised. We can use libraries like Bcrypt to generate hashed passwords as demonstrated in, like you can use const hash is goes to bcrypt.hashsync with arguments password. Thanks.